is the airport. You see, the airport makes us suffer quite a bit. I've been raising this point about the airport. It is being extended, it is being made into a full-fledged to land the bigger planes. But in the meanwhile, the Udan scheme, which was supposed to be there, has been discontinued. The smaller flights, which were already flying to the other northeastern states, have been removed for the past 1.5 years, which has also affected the tourism sector. It was easier for the people to take an overnight flight, and weekends they were spending here, especially areas like connectivity from Agartala and from Dimapur and all these places. The flights are no longer there. So I appeal that the Udan scheme be reinstated as soon as possible. Until and unless the work in progress is completed, then we'll have a full-fledged thing. But why do we suffer during such time that the airport is made large? Yeah.